Hello and welcome to your morning yoga class. Today's class will be short and sweet, so perfect when you're short on time in the morning. We start in a kneeling position. With your inhale, raise your hands and lift your hips, tuck your toes under. Exhale, lower your hands and hips down. Inhale, raise your hands and hips, gentle back bend here. And exhale, lower down. Once more, inhale to raise. From here, lower your right hand to your right hip and push your hips forward, left hand reaches behind, creating a gentle arch in your back. Gently release, straighten your back, reaching the hands up overhead and exhale, lower down. Inhale to lift up, lower your left hand to your left hip and reach with your right hand up and over, coming into half camel pose. Gently release, lengthen your spine and exhale, lower down. Interlace your hands behind your back and draw them to the mat, finding a stretch in your shoulders and opening up your chest to the sky. And gently release, interlace your fingers forward and around your back. With your inhale, open up your chest and raise your hands up overhead, creating length. And exhale, lower the hands down, coming into tabletop with your toes tucked. Lift your hips, come into down dog. Find movement by pedaling out the legs. With your inhale, raise your right leg high, coming into three-legged dog. Exhale, step your right foot in between your hands. Come into a runner's lunge. Raise your right hand up and over, opening up to the right side. And release, lower your right hand down. Lower your left knee. Inhale, reaching the hands up for low lunge. And exhale, come a bit lower. Feeling the stretch in your left hip flexor. Option to stay here with your arms raised or plant your hands on your knees and push your knee away for a deeper stretch. Replant both hands and step back into plank. Lower the knees and slide forward, coming into cobra pose. Shoulders away from your ears and gazing forwards. From here, flex your toes and shift your hips back into a child's pose for a quick rest here. Go ahead. Lift the hips, come back up into down dog, rooting down through your palms and bending one knee at a time. With your inhale, raise your left leg high. Exhale, step your left foot in between your hands. Inhale, lift your left hand up and over, coming into a side twist. Opening up a bit more. And exhale, plant the left hand down, lowering your right knee. Inhale, raising the hands up overhead in your low lunge. Exhale, lower your hips. Option to stay here or push your left knee away from your body. Great, we plant both hands and step back into plank. One breath here. Lower your knees and slide forward, coming into cobra or upward dog this time. Opening up your chest, keeping your shoulders away from your ears. Go ahead, flex your toes and shift your hips back to your heels, coming into child's pose. Option to come on your fingertips for an additional stretch. Reach with your hands forward and walk the hands over towards the right side for a gentle side stretch. Breathing into your left rib cage. Inhale, walk the hands back to center. And exhale, take them over towards the left. Breathing into your right rib cage. Walk your hands back to center and slowly come back up. Inhale, lift your hips, raise your hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you so much for joining me on the mat today. I hope that you enjoyed this quick morning flow and I see you in the next class soon.